Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be going through all of my hair care products. Now, this is something I already do about once or twice a year. And down in the comment section, let me know if this is something that you do too. Do you go through all your products and organize them, see what you're going to buy next? Let me know. Now, there's a couple reasons why I like to do this. One, most products have a little expiration date on the back. As I go through my products, I'll be checking to see if they have the expiration date. Although some products do have the expiration dates on them, right now there's no law that require hair care product companies to put an expiration date on them. That does not mean that they do not expire. So most products will last up to 3 years as long as it's not opened and it's stored in a dark, cool place. This is a good way for me to just like declutter and get rid of the stuff that doesn't work for me. I will throw it away expired, but if it's something that I only used once and I don't like it and I can't return it, then I definitely try to pay it forward to my other curly girls that I know. Come a little closer. Off rip. Nothing should be on top of it. I'm gonna start with my shampoos and conditioners. My hair just loves it. And when it's just a little bit left, I like try to use that one next. This is another good reason to go through everything. I don't even know why this imploded, but it did. My next spin is going to be Stylers. These are all of my oils and heat protectants. I'm gonna just throw it at you. I find myself buying things like these because I do have high porosity hair, which just means that the cuticles on my hair shaft are further apart and or lifted. So moisture gets in my hair, but it tends to get out very quickly. So it looks like my hair is dry. Thinking that it will solve the problem. Says it don't solve no problems.
And then the oil should go right here.
So I'm just gonna put this in here too. Now this is just real living life real reckless. I'm just gonna lay this over. Hair decor and more. This just has like hair clips in it. I'm just gonna keep these on my vanity for easy access, because in here I just have some edge control. I basically just organize all of these. Throw them in the bag. In this container I have like all of my combs, brushes, and styling tools.
Here's some labels: tools, edge control, stylers, hair decor and more, utensils, oils, shampoo, and conditioners.
Literally took me less than 20 minutes. Do I need every single one of these products?
Yes.
Do I need all of these edge controls?
Yes.
Down to the drip, drip, drop. I use it all. And then something else that I have too, because hold up, wait a minute. Y'all thought I was finished? I got these containers from a store called Big Lots in my local hometown. It was $4 for 8 of these containers, and they're all being occupied. This just helps me keep everything clean and organized.
I take these and I tuck them right in the top of the closet, and then I'll be on my way until I need them.
I hope this video helped. Comment down below and let me know 10 takeaways from this video. I'm stupid. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe. You know what?
Do what you do! Live your lives!
Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. 'Cause we've been going over and over again. And I just wanna take you home.